Take a look at this absolutely gorgeous 1955 Mercury Montclair two-door hardtop. This car just came into us out of an estate, just the way you see it. It was a little dusty, of course, from being in storage, but other than that, the paint and trim and everything is as it came into us. Gorgeous car. You know, you see a lot of these 55, 6, 7 Fords, but not as many of the Mercurys. So, and the white and turquoise is just absolutely screams 50s. Looking down the side here and look at the reflection, you can see the body and paint's very straight on the car. It appears a lot of the stainless trim on the car is probably original yet, but still looks good. If you get up close, you can see there's a little bit of wear and a couple of dings, things like this, but nothing out of the ordinary for a car of its age. People always like these, the little marker light up by the antenna. It's kind of cool. Now, you can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. And on that website, you'll be able to see still pictures of the car, including the underside, so you can get a good look at every angle. Get a look down the driver's side here, again, nice and straight. You can see there's no sort bubbling or pimpling there behind the wheel or anything. And this one does have, you can see the extra bumper guards here. Mercury nameplate is right into the bumper. A little bit of pitting on a couple of the emblems, but again, nothing abnormal for a car of its age. We'll take a peek at the interior here. And again, that two-door hardtop style is very nice when there's no post here in the middle. It's wide open. Gives you that nice airy feeling when you're going down the road. Very inviting interior with the two-tone turquoise and white. Beautiful. See, the headliner's in good shape as well. Look at that steering wheel and the horn ring, shining nice. The steering wheel is not, you see a lot of these older cars where they're busted up or the plastic is cracked. This one is not and is in good shape. There's the gauge cluster. Odometer reads 94,800, so I would assume that's actual miles.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Fire this one up. And she's alive. Probably can't hear it in the video, but right before I turned the key, I could hear the clock ticking away, so it sounds like the clock even works in this car. Get a look at the outside here, under the hood. As you can see, under the hood, she's all stock. Looking nice. Pretty tidy under the hood. Even under the hood here is nice. Now watch up here. Sometimes these cars are prone to rusting up here. This one's very solid. No issues there. We'll walk around the back, give you a listen here. Just a nice sound, nothing obnoxious. So again, you can see all of the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Trade-ins are considered and welcome. Financing is available, and extended warranties are available on this to protect your classic after the sale.